Can you guess the output of this Python code? You will have 30 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. The correct answer is A. True. Code explanation. This line checks whether the value stored in num, which is 4, exists in the list 1, 3, 4. In Python, the in operator checks if an element is present in a sequence, like a list, string, or tuple. Since the number 4 is indeed in the list 1, 3, 4, the expression num in 1, 3, 4 evaluates to true. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.